Okay, everybody, I've got everything ready, and I'm going to flip this one this way and this one this way. We're going to see what we get, okay? Here we go. Oh, man. And that one was a mess. Totally not what I was planning. But I think it's going to be all right. Whoa. Let's do this then. Where's this one? Let's take a little, I don't know where my palette knife is, but let's do this. Totally not going to be coherent right there. Let's do this. Globule. Go away, globule. Okay, so I kind of want them. What do you think? I don't know. I wanted like a half and half, but it's not quite half and half, is it? But kind of neat, nevertheless. Should I torch? Maybe let's torch just right there in that yucky spot. I don't see much difference. Not too bad, but if I'm going to make it a clock, I do not like that spot in the middle. And this is probably not going to help it. It's probably going to look even more weird. So, let's quickly do something here. I'm going to take some white, get my turquoise, and then let's split it with some blue. I'm going to give it one quick swirl, and let's pour it off back here. Don't know. Not too bad. Boy, I can't wait for these to dry where you guys can see the end result and under some resin. Okay.